Okay, so it has been, let's see, turn around. It has been a whole, what, week? And this is how the hair is locking up. So we had these come down. I'm going to redo these. And his main concern is when can he wash it? He wants to be able to wash his hair. Yeah, this is really good. That's a good job. All right, so we're going to get right to it. Phone with you? Because you can hair, I would like to know everything about him. So if you know how long he has to wait before he can actually wash, shampoo his hair, because he goes to the gym. Is it daily? Every other day?
Yeah, every other day.
Okay, yeah, so he goes to the gym every other day. Don't flex on him. Flex on him. Okay. So he would like to shampoo his hair, rightfully so. Some people sweat in their head. I don't smell anything, but some people sweat in their head. So. And dandruff, yeah, you don't want to get dandruff. So please leave that down below in the comment section if you have dreads or someone you know has dreads. And how long did they wait after a retwist before they could wash their hair?
I'll probably find it on YouTube or something.
I'm gonna look on YouTube too, but. And this is where what we got. I was gonna say, and that's why it's called cliffhanger. I don't know why. All right, good job, good job. All right, you guys, see you in another video.